Dear AI aspiring engineers, welcome to our channel Alex Tech Projects. So, what are the challenges you are facing in data science, machine learning, deep learning, and generative AI? We try to discuss and how to overcome. So, what are the solutions for this one? We try to discuss today without further delay. Now, let us jump into the session. First of all, I would like to congratulate those who passed in the screening test which is conducted on the August 4th. My friend is there whose name is Srinath. So now let us congratulate him on the screening test, especially in the data science and AI, that mean machine learning, deep learning, generative AI in this area. What is a data science? If you see, it is math and statistics, computer science and IT, domain business knowledge. All these three combined together can give it as a data science. If you come onto the machine learning, it has an models, that is nothing but the classification and the regression, which will comes under supervised learning. Clustering, dimensionality reduction will comes under the unsupervised learning. Coming on to the deep learn convolution neural network, which will be classify the images, which will be working on the images under the deep learning. This is separate category. The second category in the deep learning is a recurrent neural network, which will try to work on the text, which will be the natural language processing. When you come onto the generative AI, we try to see the transformer, that is the base, and which will be there in the Hugging Face. And the second one, we try to see the lang chain. You can see it on the screen. This is also framework. And the large language models, you can see, which is evolving from 2020 to 2023. So the most popular one will be as in a ChatGPT, that is OpenAI, and Gemini from the Google, and other things it has been there. And one of the very interesting thing will be the SQL database, which has a different server types, that is MySQL, Microsoft SQL Server, SQLite, and PostgreSQL. This is also a skill it is required for a data science, machine learning, deep learning, generative AI. And web scraping, getting the data from the web, will be called web scraping. We have two important packages. One is Beautiful Soap, another one is a Request. And rest of the things also there, but we are focusing on these two. And we try to build the app, that is a Streamlit. Another framework will be the Flask. You can see it on the screen. And in order to get us in machine learning, deep learning, data science, generative AI, statistics is the base. So you can see it could be as a coming from MSc, BSc, whatever the streams, but the statistics is the main core subject is required for a data science. And in the math, you can see linear algebra, probability theory, calculus, and optimization. I think we have covered the statistics in the previous slide, but the rest of the things is coming over here. Means math related fundamentals are in these four areas: linear algebra, probability, calculus, optimization. These skills are required. And apart from that one, cloud, AWS, Azure. So these are the two platforms they are giving how to build and how to use their infrastructure and build the model and do the data analysis or deploy the model, build, deploy, or analyze, or store, or retrieve. So these are the two different options they are giving. So now DevOps has turned into MLOps for the machine learning. And here we can see the list of packages, or you can see the titles what we try to discuss in the machine learning, deep learning. If you keep on writing, it will try to become as in 25 categories. If you take each one as a 2 weeks, it will try to become a 50 weeks, and even though you are learning or exploring 1 to 2 hours per day, it will try to take it for an 1 year. 52 weeks is called as 1 year. So all these 25 packages, if you want to master, it required as a 1 year. So telling each topic of this course, every topic explanation from basic level to an expert level. If you want to convert from the basic to expert, I don't either you need to multiply the weeks or you need to multiply the hours. Any one of them you need to make such a way that your basic to an intermediate to expert level, it will try to grow. And after this one, there is called as an interview preparation. Things typically will conduct 4 to 8 weeks. 4 to 8 weeks of your time spent is equal to actual learning. Even though you have taken as an 8 to 12 months, now you need to shrink it in the 4 to 8 weeks. How do I need to precisely revise the concept which I have learned 8 to 12 months? So this is the mindset you need to shift. And 1 to 2 weeks is equal to 1 month. What you have learned in 1 month, and you need to shrink to the 1 week. How to summarize or memorize the concept, or how to do all this. 1 to 2 days is equal to 1 week of your long term. 1 to 2 hours is equal to 1 day of your long term. So the time is shrinked within the 4 to 8 weeks. Entire thing you need to do it mean you need to shrink the time. That is the thing. So mean most focused, precise on the particular day how much you need to cover. After learning how we need to do the monetization and grab the offer, some of the training institute may bring, may not bring. It is big, it depend upon their business model. First one is the interview preparation is completed. After that one, resume building, which has to meet the ATS scanner. And project showcasing, you need to put it in a GitHub or whatever the things it is possible you can do. Finding the job opportunity by various ways, whatever the job portals, referral, LinkedIn, branding, all these things you need to do. After that one, you need to get the calls, clearing the interview, grabbing the offer, joining the company, and after first month you need to get your first pay. So all these things if you have done, then only you will get doing the monetization. In the process of this one, this is the lengthy process, your emotions will be burst out. Second one will be the time management. Third one will be your financial crisis, whether you have sufficient funds in order to do this course. All these concepts is properly meeting your inner goal or your taste or your interest. If it is meeting, then only you can do. Lot of people can say it can be done in 3 months, it can be done in 4 months, but there is lot of packages you need to cover. In case they are telling data science, machine learning, deep learning, generative AI mean all these things. If you want to do it mean a simple calculation I have done, 25 packages into 2 weeks is 50 weeks. That's the 52 weeks is 1 year. This is simple mathematical formula. After that one, your interview preparation, grabbing the interview calls, interview clearing, and grabbing the offer, then joining, that is the rest of the time. So managing your emotions is a very much important. Time management, financial crisis, the finance whatever you have, the money whatever it is slowly dissolving, and the concept which you need to build in your mind, it has to be stored properly and retrieved properly, otherwise you will not get monetized. You need to show them this much of the skills, or all these skills I have learned properly. So these are the self management tips I want to give, otherwise you will not end. It will be it is looping there only, it will take a longer time. Apart from that one, anyone saying I have any gaps, I have a transition, I have any other related issues, please you need to take care about itself before joining these kind of courses. Thank you very much.